And the finished cut. So zoom in on the hairline. Beautiful. Right, so here we are. It's like looking in the mirror with the man himself. So here we go. This is before we cut his own hair and attach the system again. His brand new one. You can still see the old transplants are still quite strong from the past, but let's get the haircut first. Right, so the hair system is now ready to go on. Let's zoom in on the finished cut. Beautiful, soft, graduated hairline. A few little shards of hair where obviously just stuck to the edge of the glue, but that's just they'll come out in the first kind of shower that Arslan has, obviously. Look on top, bleach knots all over. So this is extra light density, so shows off a nice bit of scalp, beautifully blended into his own hair and back and sides. Let's have a look over this side as well. Just a slight bit of glistening glue, but over a couple of days that will actually go to more of a matte finish. But when it's just been glued, it does look a little bit shiny at the start of a bond. Yeah, very good. It's like looking in the mirror.